have Mr. Nitin Nahar, Head Business Development, Vito Capital AMC, to speak on Freedom Now and Ahead, to have a presentation on the topic Freedom Now and Ahead. I invite Mr. Nitin on the stage.
I'll promise I'll keep this session very, very crisp, very, very short. I think I can see people yawning behind. It must be a pretty, a long session for you all. So, koi gyan nahi, very simple, very basics. I'll just introduce myself. I'm Nitin Nahar. So, I'm associated with White Oak Asset Management firm as a head for business development. And I've spent some 24 years in this mutual fund industry. Prior to this, I was with HDFC Mutual Fund for almost 17 years. So, very much on the sales side, just like you. So, I'll keep it pretty basic and simple. So, when I say freedom, basically what your client wants. He needs either freedom in the sense financial independence, freedom from financial worries, right? And that is what we also try for your client. कि उसको financially freedom कैसे दे सकते हैं. So, we have just thought about on this subject in White Oak and have come up with certain solutions. I would just like to, take you through that. So when we talk about freedom, the first thing a person wants is wealth, right? Wealth, typically when we think about wealth, we always, have an idea about wealth from money. कि कितना पैसा है? अगर पैसा है तो wealth है. But actually, if you dive deep, we'll know that wealth actually means three aspects: money, time, and health, right? Health is also wealth. We all know that. Time is also wealth. Time lost is sort of wealth lost. And of course, money is wealth. But this particular wealth has a very different connotation in our different age groups. So when we are young, let's say if you are 25 to 35 years old, what you don't have money with you. I don't know about you people, but when I was 25, I hardly had any money. But I had ample time, I had ample health, right? So in that sense, when you are very young, your wealth has more of time and health, but less of money. When you grow little old, when you start working, and when you're in the edge bracket of 35 to 55, you have a lot of money, means you have started earning money. You have health also, reasonably good health, but where you are lacking is time. You are running so hard day in, day out, that you don't have time enough for a lot of things, right? If you want to do some adventure sports, if you want to live up to your passion, you don't have time. And when ultimately you turn more than 55 years old, you have a lot of time, you have a lot of money, but health becomes a concern. Am I right? किसी को दमे की बीमारी है, किसी को शुगर हो गया है, कोई सीढ़ी नहीं चढ़ सकता है. So all kind of things happen when you are 50, 60 plus. So what is the solution? Basically, you need to enjoy your wealth at every part of your life. So this is what I'm trying to explain in this PPT. So as I said, everybody has different goals. Now, the goal of today's generation are basically different from the previous generation. पहले क्या होता था? रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान. People were more concerned with the basic requirement. Today you want something extra than that, right? Today is the startup age. People, the age at 30, 32, they want to start up their own business. So you need money for that. You have adventure sports. You want to go and play those kind of adventure sports, which you cannot do when you are 50 or 60 plus. Again, you need money for that. You want to see the entire world before you turn 45, 50 years. Again, you need money for that. So different things need wealth in a different way. For this, when we are analyzing wealth, one important point which we should keep in mind, as you can see on the screen, one is microscope, one is telescope, right? अभी जब भी आपको वेल्थ बनाने का है ना, आप फ्यूचर को देखते हो कि इक्विटी मार्केट कैसा करेगा, डेट मार्केट कैसा करेगा, मुझे पैसा कहाँ लगाना है. बट टेक्निकली व्हाट हैपेंस, वी जनरली टेंड टू सी फ्रॉम अ माइक्रोस्कोप आई, राइट? फॉर एग्जांपल 2012, विच आई एम श्योर एवरीबडी विल रिमेंबर, हम ग्रीक एग्जिट की बात करते थे कि यूरोप से अगर ग्रीस बाहर हो गया तो उसका इंपैक्ट इंडिया पे क्या होगा. सो वी वर सो मच वरीड अबाउट दैट वन पर्टिकुलर इंसिडेंट कि हाउ मच इंपैक्ट कैन इट मेक ऑन इंडियन मार्केट्स. कुछ सालों के बाद वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट ब्रेक्सिट. अगर ब्रिटेन चला गया, हाउ मच इट विल इम्पैक्ट अस, राइट? व्हाई इट हैज हैपेंड? बिकॉज वी स्टार्टेड लुकिंग थिंग फ्रॉम माइक्रोस्कोपिक एंगल. माइक्रोस्कोप में क्या होता है ना, एक छोटा सा चीज बहुत बड़ा नजर आता है, it may not be such a big thing, but we are thinking such short term. We are thinking through this microscopic lens कि हमें वो problem बहुत बड़ा नजर आता है. Even COVID, though COVID was a different animal altogether, but the way havoc was created in this 3-4 months in markets was because we thought like world is coming to an end. What we should do in equity markets, we should see things from a telescopic lens. Telescopic lens क्या करता है? दूर की चीज को, बहुत दूर की चीज को आपको पास से दिखाता है. Correct? So that's the reason we always say in equity, it is very easy to forecast what will happen in 5 year, 10 year, 15 year, 20 year down the line. But if somebody asks what will happen tomorrow or after a month, it is extremely difficult. So whenever you analyze equity, use your telescopic lens. Now an example of telescopic lens. You see this slide. See, in 2000, this is basically the world's 10 largest economies in dollar terms. 2000, in year 2000, India top 10 में कहीं नहीं था, right? In fact, we were number 13 or 14 in that particular year. In 2010, we became 9th largest economy in the world. 2020, we have become 6th. In fact, अभी as of now, अगर आप 2022 में देखेंगे, तो we have even crossed United Kingdom, and we are the 5th largest economy in the world. And the expectation is by 2030, we may be the 3rd largest economy in the world. Now, do you remember what was Nifty in 2000? Anyone? Sorry? $1,600? Closer to that, right? 2010, 4-5 हज़ार के आसपास निफ्टी आ गया था, राइट? तो जब आपकी इकोनॉमी 9 थी, तब आप 4-5 हज़ार के निफ्टी पे थे. 2020 में यू आर एट 18,000 odd. 2000 you were 16 to 1800. तो forget about what is happening globally or in a larger sense. What you need to see, again telescopic lens. छोटी मोटी problems हर साल होती रहेंगी. In fact, last 5 years, we thought 3 times that the world has probably come to an end. 2008 is IL&FS crisis. हमें लगा credit market पूरा खत्म हो गया, right? Then COVID happened. We thought world is again coming to its knees. Recently, Russia-Ukraine war. हमें लगा world war नया शुरू ना हो जाए कहीं, correct? So every time we thought something big is going to happen, but if you just see how much return Nifty or how much return market has given in last 5 years, from almost 12,000 Nifty to almost 18,000, which is like 12-13% CAGR return. तो जब हमें लगता था कि 5 साल में कुछ भी हो सकता है, despite that market has given you 12-13-14% kind of CAGR returns. So why we want to look markets from microscopic lens? Why we want to analyze what is going to happen in next 3 months? What will happen if Russia-Ukraine war prolong for another 6 months? It won't make much of difference in a longer term. Now, what happens when India becomes a 3rd largest economy in the world or eventually further? As of now, the per capita income of Indians is close to $2,400, right? Which everybody knows. Now, जैसे जैसे आपका per capita income बढ़ता है, the disposable income of the person increases और वो काफ़ी अलग तरह के खर्चे करना शुरू होता है. So when we were less than $2,000, हमारी requirement was very, very basic. रोटी, कपड़ा, मकान. Basic things should be available to each and everyone. Now we are $2,400, $2,500. We have started, spending money on white goods. The moment you touch it, 3,000 or 6,000, you can see you'll spend more on durables, you'll spend more on recreation, you'll spend more on retail, you'll spend more on real estate. That is what is happening in other countries. आज जहाँ इंडिया है, वहाँ पे US was there in 1995 or 96. China was there in 2005, 2006. So we are at that inflection point. If your per capita income increases, automatically all these sectors will start booming. There is no way, two way about it. आज भी अगर आप देखो, your air condition market share is in single digit, your car market share is in single digit. We basically, everybody knows that the more per capita income will be there, automatically these kind of spend will further increase. So to my mind, rather than forecasting what will happen in 6 months, 8 months, 1 year, what will happen to US, will inflation go up and down, we need to see the bigger picture. Now, basically there are two types of people, right? एक वो लोग होते हैं जिनके पास लमसम पैसा बहुत होता है, बड़ा पैसा है, and what they want, they need monthly inflows. कि ठीक है मेरे पास इतना बड़ा पैसा है, now for my retirement, for my future things, I need basically monthly inflows. Then there are second kind of people like me, like most of the young generation, they don't have lump sum money, right? They have monthly thing which is coming to them every month. So they want to create wealth. But their aspiration is also the same. After 10 year, 15 years, they also want monthly cash flows. तो ये वाली प्रॉब्लम अभी हो क्या रहा है ना इंडस्ट्री में, मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल आर फॉर्चुनेटली अनफॉर्चुनेटली वी आर कैटरिंग टू दीज पीपल हु हैव अ लम्प सम मनी. वी जस्ट गो एंड टेल देम कि ओके यू हैव दिस मनी, 5 minutes left. Okay. So we are trying to cater to this segment कि बड़ा पैसा है, इसको आप कैसे इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं, कैसे ऐसे रिटर्न बना सकते हैं. देयर इज अ ह्यूज पॉपुलेशन आउट देयर जो हम सिप के थ्रू वी आर ट्राइंग टू गेट पीपल देयर. बट अगर आपने देखा होगा जनरली हाउ इंश्योरेंस इज बीइंग सोल्ड, इंश्योरेंस इज बीइंग नेवर बीइंग सोल्ड ऑन रिटर्न्स. इंश्योरेंस में ये होता है कि चलिए आप हर साल इतना पैसा डालिए, आप 10 साल तक इतना पैसा डालिए, 4-5 साल का कूलिंग पीरियड है, आफ्टर 15th year you will start getting this much kind of money every year, and that probably that money will last throughout your life. और कुछ बचेगा तो आपके नॉमिनी को मिल जाएगा, राइट? वहाँ पर प्रोडक्ट्स की IRR आती है करीब 4.5-5%, right? Still those products are being sold in market because the client is not worried about returns. The client has identified his goals और उस goals के साथ उसको वो पैसा मिल जाता है. So what at White Oak we have tried to do, I'll skip few slides in the interest of time. एक छोटा सा मैं आपको एग्जांपल बता देता हूँ. आई एम श्योर लॉट ऑफ few people would be knowing. जो रिटर्न बनता है मार्केट में, as you all know, is compounding. Compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. But frankly speaking, compounding ना हम पूरा समझ पाए हैं, ना हम क्लाइंट को समझा पाए हैं. अगर क्लाइंट को कंपाउंडिंग समझ में आ जाए तो there is no reason that why he will not invest into equity. I'll just give you a small example. एक आप A4 साइज का पेपर लीजिए, उसको फोल्ड कीजिए. How many fold you can make with one A4 size paper? 7? 7 or 8. Beyond 8 is like literally impossible, right? और इसकी thickness बहुत कम होती है. It is like 0.001 centimeter thickness. Let's assume अगर आप ये पेपर को 50 times fold कर सकते हैं, just try and think. अगर ये पेपर अगर आप 50 बार फोल्ड कर सकते हैं, उसकी थिकनेस कितनी होगी? एनी गैस? मेरा टाइम बहुत कम है. सॉरी, मोटा होगा, कितना मोटा होगा? देखिए 0.01 सेंटीमीटर, 0.001 को डबल करेंगे तो whatever 0.002, उसका 4, 4 का 8, 8 का 16, 16, 32, 64, कितना बढ़ता जाएगा इन 50 फोल्ड्स? एनी आइडिया? सर ये 50 टाइम्स में पूरा सोलर सिस्टम को क्रॉस कर जाएगा. एट 40 फोल्ड्स it will touch the moon. At 50 folds, it will cross the solar system. At 65 times, it can cover the diameter of the universe. जो भी astronauts, जो astronomers हैं, उनको लगता है कि होगा. Why? Because it is all compounding. जैसे जैसे चीज बड़ी होती है ना, compounding का effect बाद में नजर आता है. Right? Problem is, हम client को compounding explain ही नहीं कर पाते उतने तरीके से. So what we have done at White Oak, I'll straight away take you to that slide. In fact, I'll just take you for 2 minutes for this SIP thing. This is called biography of SIP. SIP की आत्मकथा. 10,000 रुपए की SIP है, 2005 में शुरू किया है, 1st of every month, frequency is monthly. फर्स्ट ईयर 10,120 डाला. आफ्टर 1 year 2006 में द वैल्यूएशन बिकम 165. सेकेंड ईयर 308. थर्ड ईयर 5 लाख हो गया 360 का. चौथे साल द 480 हैज बिकम 380. हियर द क्लाइंट फील्स कि बॉस 4 साल से पैसा डाल रहा हूं, तुम्हारे कहने पे SIP में, एंड यू नो माई वैल्यूएशन इज नेगेटिव, यह पैसा मैंने FD में किया होता, वहाँ किया होता, what would have been my returns, right? That is the general complaint clients will have. And that is the reason industry का SIP 3.5 साल का average में बंद हो जाता है. But if the person would have stayed for another year, in the 5th year, after adding 120, that amount has become almost 9 lakh rupees, right? So from 4th to 5th, if the client wouldn't have worried about the volatility, if he would have kept faith in the equity market, he would have had 8.94. In the 6th year, 10.82. अभी आप देखिए 6th से 7th ईयर में मैंने 120 एडिशनल डाला है, लेकिन नीचे 10.82 से 11.03 हुआ है. सो फ्रेंकली फ्रॉम 6th to 7th ईयर कोई रिटर्न नहीं बना है क्लाइंट का. बट ही कंटिन्यूड एंड लुक एट द वैल्यूएशन एट द 10th ईयर. 12 हैज बिकम almost 23 lakh. 17th year, 20 lakh has become 64 lakhs. Point I'm trying to make is again the compounding. Compounding को समय लगता है. You cannot adjudge a performance of any equity fund in 3 or 4 years. So we have come up with this goal SIP. Now what happens in a goal SIP? There are fixed tenor of SIP. 8 year, 10 year, 12, 15, 20, 25, 30. इसमें हमने SIP और SWP को combine किया है. So you are investing for few years and after a certain time period, you are getting monthly withdrawals as well. So what happens if you do a 8-year SIP? If you do an 8-year SIP, after the 8th year, from the beginning of 9th year, you will start getting 1x. यानी अगर 10,000 का SIP है, तो आपको 90 साल से 10,000 रुपये महीना वापस मिलना शुरू हो जाएगा. कब तक मिलेगा? लाइफ टाइम तक. एंड इवन आफ्टर योर लाइफ टाइम देयर वुड बी अ रीजनेबल money at your hand. Same 10 years we will get 1.5x. For 25 years you will get 8 times. For 30 years it is as big as 12x. यानी 10,000 की जगह आपको 1,20,000 पर मंथ मिलेगा. So what idea is, till the time you are earning, you invest. After an age, let's say after 8th year, 9th year, when you are planning your retirement or you have certain goals, तो आपको SWP से पैसा मिलना शुरू भी हो जाएगा, right? यहाँ पर आप 2, 3, 4 SIPs को combine भी कर सकते हैं. For example, somebody says, I want to invest for 8 years, but I don't know whether I would be retiring in 10 years or I would be retiring in 15 years. तो मुझे नहीं पता मैं कितने लंबे समय तक invest कर पाऊंगा. तो same client can invest into 3 different SIP, 8 year, 10 year, 12 year. 8 साल के बाद जो पैसा आएगा, उससे he can start building up his 10th year SIP. 10 के बाद जो SWP आएगा, he can start building up his 15th year SIP. So that, इसमें there are 2 things which we are solving. One, the client can invest at the same time he can enjoy his wealth also. Because this generation is different from the previous generation. पहले क्या होता था? People used to save for the next generation. Today, this generation want to enjoy themselves also and want to pass on for their nominees as well. शायद 10-20 साल के बाद तीसरा जनरेशन आएगा जो बोलेगा बॉस मुझे अपने बच्चों के लिए कुछ नहीं करना है, जो करना है मेरे लिए करना है, right? So this product is basically gives you you can enjoy your wealth also and you can something leave for your nominees as well. So I won't take too much of your time. Anyway, my time is up. You can go through the White Oak website where these calculators are available. इसमें क्या होता है? कैलकुलेटर में आप उसकी एज डालिए, कितने साल का टेनोर डालना डालिए, एक PDF रिपोर्ट जनरेट हो जाएगा which you can showcase to your client. We will send a certificate to the client, not an account statement. It would be like a certificate which says you invested for so many years. This is the money which you will get after 8 years, right? These are the terms and conditions. So he can sort of preserve in a way of certificate. और शायद उससे redemption वो बहुत rarely करेगा. Thank you so much for your time. मुझे 2-3 reminders आ गए हैं, so I can't explain more. But happy to have any questions in case if you have. Thank you.